What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Pete the Pac-Man. We are opening up more Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows from this booster box. This is part 2, again, with the one, the only, Team Pokey Girlfriend!
Hey, guys.
So, this was done in the past, so you are all in the future, which would make sense if I can do science correctly. So, for all of you in the premiere chat, everyone say, hi-de-ho, hi-de-ho, cow. All right? So, this is the crossover episode, I wish. All right, so we're going to pick 6 packs each, right? So, 6-pack abs coming out. So, I'm going to say we're not going to get the Charizard this time. However, in part 3, we will get the Charizard. So, I'm saying, I'm putting in my call now, everybody. Put in your call. Is the Charizard coming out tonight or in part 3? Comment that down below, all right? And I'd like to also give a big shout out to the PokeRev crew, PokeRev, TCG Revival, Blastoise 93, Trainer Trey, and of course, PokeDeke. Deke! All right, so let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
And everybody, we're going to up the ante tonight. Let's see if we can get 25 thumbs up. Comment 111 if you have hit the like button down below. Comment 222 if you haven't yet. We both have green code cards. Code hunters, you will be at the end to get your codes. Okay. So we got 4 from the back here. Bring it around town like SpongeBob. All right. Let's see. It was green, so green. Okay, so we got that guy. Socrates or Sophocles.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, round 2, still 0-0. The score is currently 57-56.
Oh,
whew. Wow.
I guess
at least we're getting good. At least we're getting rid of them.
Yeah, I guess the last video is going to really have some great pools.
Some good pools. Everyone comment awesome pools. Do we got Danny D? Dude, you know what? I actually spoke with PokeRev, and he said that he wants to give me the Poke Cave. He said, here, Pete, you could have the keys. Keys to the cave.
3, 2, 1. Okay,
and
someone needs to get a white card.
I know. I'm feeling it this time. I think you're right. And that person is not you.
Me.
It's not me either. I wasn't feeling it. Neither were you.
This is ridiculous.
I'm feeling this. I got some regrets right now. I'm feeling this. Fate fell short this time. And say, nobody knows that song. If you know that song, comment it down below and what band does it. All right. There it is. Horsey. And there was some BS behind it.
Yeah, I was...
All right. It's still 0-0.
3, 2, 1. Wow. Could you imagine if we literally pull nothing? That would suck.
But that would mean there are going to be out-of-control pulls.
Oh, finally.
That means we're going to get some out-of-control pulls in the third round. Green. Wow. Green.
Sad day for you.
Green. Did you win last time?
Yeah.
See?
Tie it back up today.
You're going to tie it back up with my last booster box.
Yep. And I'm the one that pulled you the rainbow Charizard from this set.
The hyper rare. And just in case, listen, we do want to get some more booster boxes and stuff. Sorry for the interruption. I hate when that happens. I got to get that fixed. Yeah.
Something strange.
I'm telling you, we're living in strange times. Whoa, they're turning the electric off. We need patrons.
Such an idiot.
Oh, like and rock. What does Max Mofo call that? The teen wolf?
Teen wolf, yeah.
Teen wolf. So, we got to sleeve that to Beaver. Everybody comment sleeve it to Beaver. And if you guys are subscribed right here on the Poke Cave, just kidding, no. On Pete the Pac-Man, comment 777 if you're subscribed with those notifications on. Comment 888. The road to 900 subs continues. We are currently at 862. Here we go, round 5.
3, 2, 1.
All right, this is it. Someone's getting it. Got it!
Whoa!
I said got it before I even looked at it. It's like I knew.
Thank God you were right, huh?
Thanks somebody. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you right now how you let your deke out
Why?
Deke! Is Deke here? Say hi, Deke. Oh, wait, no, I got to do this right. Okay. Wishful baton. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm about to show you is how you can predict a Charizard, a hyper rare Charizard, nonetheless.
Yeah, okay.
Energy. Whoops. Wrong
Yeah,
one. Wrong one.
premature
Wait. Energy. Is that not a sign? Energy, ladies and gentlemen. Do I want to see it? Do I want to see it? Hey, team girlfriend, do I want to see it?
I mean, you'll like it.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Okay, it's the Bloody Machamp. I like that one. Remember, was that Max Mofo that said that he was
so.
punching too many people?
I think.
That's cool. But hey, now that puts me in the lead by a smidge. All right. Now, before we do this, can we get a drum roll? Can we get some? Can we put some aliens in the chat? Let me see those alien emojis. Come on. Let's see them so we can get some good pulls. And everyone comment last pack magic right here, right now. Not in the Poke Cave, but we are in the Poke Corner. And I'll show you the Poke Corner eventually. Give us a countdown, slow motion.
3,
2, 1. Here we go. Pokemaniacs, let me know. You have white! It's the Charizard! No, it's not.
You can't even get your pack open.
I know.
Sometime today.
Imagine if there were 2 Charizards, but there's not today, baby!
3 years later.
So, you may have won.
So, come on, let's go get it over
You
with.
may have won.
I did win.
You may have.
I Kamehameha. Did you just invent a new word? Kamehameha?
No, I mean, I'm not a big Dragon Ball Z fan, but that's from the Kame. I've never understood Dragon Ball Z, to be honest. I'm not insulting it. I've just never understood it. Okay. So, Machamp, this is how we do it. Ladies and gentlemen, she's going to show you right now how you pull a hyper rare Charizard from the Burning Shadows booster box. Slow it down. Oh, slow it down. Energy. All right.
All right.
A Ho-OGX. I lost on the
win.
second time. You tied it
Again.
up. Gorgeous card.
It really
you
is
saw
nice.
it here first. This is the one right before. That's the full art. That's the one right before the hyper rare.
Is it?
Gorgeous card, man. A nice ho-oh. I love those from Hostess, right? The ho-ohs.
Yeah.
Aren't those fruit snacks? Not the fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks.
The cakes.
No,
Aren't those the cakes? So I got this badass Machamp card. I've always wanted it. Now I have it. So now she will show you what she won. So did I shake your hand already?
No.
Well,
And I think you skipped that for like a number of times now in the
I
videos.
know, but it's out of respect. It's respect for the Poke Gods, right? T-Rex.
Okay, come on.
Not T-Rex. Trey.
Whoa.
He writes his name
wait,
as T-R-E-X.
Nice job. Thanks.
Stop being a jerk. Seriously. Everyone comment the Pokey girlfriend jerk. Come on, man. All right. Code hunters, if you're here for the codes, comment codes. If you guys are here for the content, comment content. If you're here for both,
Comment both.
that's right, everybody. You know what to do. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, together now. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. If there's something strange on your live stream, who aren't you gonna call? The Code Hunters. Dun, 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 dun. I ain't giving no codes. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ba-da-da-dun, dun. If something strange on your live stream, better kick them out. Them Code Hunters, they're ungrateful kids that don't have any respect. I ain't giving no codes. ungrateful kids. Take your codes. Take them. Take them and tell your friends. All right. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's see. Let's see if we can get 30 likes on this video, everybody. All right. For Ho-Oh, for Machamp, maybe even Machoke, but he's always Machoking on his food. So that's it. That's all we got. It's all wrapped up. The dude abides. What movie is that from? Follow us on Instagram, Pete the Pac-Man Pulls, Facebook, facebook.com/Pete the Pac-Man. All right, if you're getting some Pokemon cards, go to PokeNerds.co. Get 5% off with promo code Pete the Pac-Man. Let's quick attack that like, comment, 111 if you did, 222 if you didn't. And guys, thank you so much for watching right here on Pete the Pac-Man, where you don't have to be a kid to be a kid at heart, and you don't We're experiencing some sort of transmission error. Help us! Help us! They're turning off the power! I don't have the power! Oh, God. They did it. Gotta catch 'em all! Ha!
That was really lame.
I know.
Just lame.
I know.
Lame.
All right, guys. So we're taking over Pete the Pac-Man's live stream. We are going to break out a never-before-seen Wizards of the Coast booster box, never released, and is worth $3 billion. Coming up next time at thepokecave.com. Not really. Wow, I'm still recording. Okay.
You should probably stop now.
Gotta catch 'em all. I did that already.
Yeah, you did. Still lame.
All right. Everybody in the chat, type some LOLs. Share the video.
Tell him to hit end already.
You're fired. You're fired.